Welcome back. Reels have started rolling for the IFFI 2010. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has informed that no event management firm will be roped in for the inaugural and closing ceremony of IFFI. CM has said that T20 event has been cancelled and Short Film Centre will be reviewed from next year. Delegates can now book their tickets online to watch some of the chosen best cinema in the world.
It has also been decided that no event management agency will be engaged for closing and opening and closing ceremony. However, Entertainment Society of Goa, in association with the Director of Film Festival, will organize the opening and closing ceremony. We have decided to do away with T20 this year. As far as Short Film Centre was concerned, we have decided that we will try to limit the budget within a reasonable limit, and a small committee consisting of Vishnu Wagh, Raju Naik and Dr. Pramod Salgaonkar will monitor the organization of Short Film Centre. I have told these federation people that after this film festival is over, we can review the overall these of Short Film Centre next year, whether if you want to organize it.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath held a governing council meeting of IFFI at ESG. He said that the delegates can now swap their delegate cards and watch movies or book their tickets online. GCCI will organize its shopping festival in Panji and Madgaon for IFFI 2010.
Tickets can be booked even by sitting at home via internet, and also there will be kiosks by which, by swapping the card, probably you can get the tickets. This time Goa Chamber of Commerce has again come forward for organizing the shopping festival not only in Panjim, but they have also decided to rope in Margaon this time, and it will be food and shopping festival.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shirkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Tourism Department has agreed that short-sightedness of our politicians is affecting the Brand Goa campaign. The seminar Makeover for Brand Goa exposed how tourism ad campaign of the state gets a makeover with every changing regime in the state. Goa Tourism Director tells the sad tale.
Finally, it has come from the horse's mouth. Over-interference of politicos is affecting the Brand Goa campaign. Director of Tourism Swapnil Naik admitted in the ITM seminar that every new party coming to power tries to portray Brand Goa in their own way, leaving the whole ad propaganda in doldrums. And mind you, our ad budget is as skinny as it gets.
The political scenario here has also gone a long way to change the branding, and we realize that their budget towards advertising is total budget of Goa tourism together. So with that kind of financial backing, it becomes so difficult. Guidelines which Goa has been using and which are affected by the political situation in the Goa.
Kajitan was the ad guru, shared his experience he had at ITM. Kajitan says every time he comes to Goa, there is a different director of tourism. All the spokesmen at seminar strongly opposed the image of Goa as a rave party and trance music destination.
And then I went to the Goa tourism stall. Very impressive, big. And I asked them for something very, very basic. I said, can I have a fact file on Goa? Can you give me the facts of the tourism industry in Goa? And this is the answer I got. Very impressive stall, but no lasting impression, I'm sorry.
But sadly, basic issues pertaining to Goa's tourism like drug trade, inflation and tourist safety remained untouched in the seminar. Our reporter Pratik Parab with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Narkasur competition, Shigmo and Carnival will be shifted on the outskirts of Madgaon from the year 2011. This decision comes on the backdrop of Madgaon blast on the Diwali Eve last year. Collector of South Goa GP Naik held a meeting to chalk out the security aspects during various celebrations in Madgaon town. Various committees and associations have assured their support to this decision.
Madgaon blasts have resulted in shifting of venue of all major festivities in the commercial capital of Goa. South Goa Collector G.P. Naik held a meeting to discuss precautionary measures to be taken during various festivals and ceremonies in Madgaon. Narkasur competition will be shifted to the outskirts of Madgaon from 2011. However, this year's competition will be held at the annual venue.
The last year it was decided that as far as possible the programs which are conducted in the town, in Margao city, by the organizers in respect of Narkasur competition, then Sigmotsav and Carnival is to be shifted outskirts in the town itself. Now in the present meeting we have decided that it was decided earlier from 2011. So we are maintaining, and by that time we will see that all the infrastructure which is required, illumination and then one culvert is required, that will be completed.
South Goa SP Alan Disa has said that committees will take all the security measures during the Narkasur competition.
The venue is shifted outside the city, that is from SPDA ground to Ravindra Bhavan side. Then we have ample routes to divert the traffic, and I don't think there will be any problems.
सर ह्या वर्सा पुलीस फोर्स कसो कितें आसतलो तुमगेले गेल्या वर्सा हांगा ब्लास्टिंगाचे हे जाल्ल्या कारणान ह्या वर्सा कितें
ह्या वर्सा आमकां कमिटीन कॉपरेट करता म्हणलां की टावर ते घालून दितले, CCTV घालतले आनी बॅरिकेडिंग बरें करून करतले. आमचो डिप्लॉयमेंट सुबेज आसतलो.
A major Narkasur competition organizing committee in Madgaon, Solid Party has assured all the support to the venue shifting decision.
Meeting आपयली Narkasur venue shift करपाची. Solid Party agreed to shift the competition from Margao city to the new site, but as per the request of all the other officials and everything, it will start from 2011. We will cooperate this time with all the government machinery regarding the towers and additional force to be put in Margao city.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
World Food Day is being observed on Saturday. This year's theme, United Against Hunger, is chosen to recognize the efforts made in the fight against the world hunger at national, regional and international levels. Also, one of the goals is to increase food production in the years to come.
Indian Centre for Agricultural Research and Directorate of Agriculture organized a day-long event to celebrate World Food Day at Old Goa. World Food Day has disseminated different themes every year in order to highlight areas needed to take action and provide a generic focus since 1981. This year's theme chosen for the occasion is United Against Hunger. Director of ICAR, Dr. N.P. Singh, stated that the government is planning to introduce a bill called Right to Food in Parliament that is on the lines of right to education.
अभी भारत सरकार जो है एक डिसीजन लेने जा रहा है, जिसे आप नरेगा की बात सुनते हैं, वैसे एक राइट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट आ गया है शिक्षा के बारे में कि सबको शिक्षा चाहिए. वैसे एक राइट ऑफ एक्ट आ रहा है फूड के बारे में. गवर्नमेंट सोच रही है, सब मीटिंग हो रही है कि सबको खाना मिलना चाहिए. तो सबको खाना मिलने के बाद जब गवर्नमेंट या पार्लियामेंट से पास हो जाएगा तो आपको खाना देने की जिम्मेदारी गवर्नमेंट की रहेगी. मतलब हमको अच्छा प्रोडक्शन चाहिए.
Director of Agriculture Department Satish Tendulkar urged for the need to increase food production in the coming years.
United Against Hunger, आम्ही सगळे उपाशी आसा तांचे विरुद्ध झगडपाक आम्ही एकठांय जावले म्हणून ताणी तो हो स्लोगन दिल्लो आसा. आता उपाशी सगळ्यात कोण आसा? उपाशी युगतान सगळ्यात चड आसता ते शेतकार. जो शेतकार पिकयता तो शेतकार उपाशी आसा. तुम्ही खंयी सर्वे करून पळया, जगातले सगळ्यात चड उपाशी लोक खंयच्याय वाठारांत वचत जाल्यार शेतकार पिकयता पूण शेतकार उपाशी आसता.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.